Hey, Colin Marcel here. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a while loop. So I've already got my project all set up, and here I have the SRC, the main package, and the main class. Inside the main class I've got our main function. This is going to be how I set up every video from here on out, so we don't have to waste time writing that. Alright, so first off I'm going to create a boolean. I'm going to name it this or that, and I'm going to make it true for now. So here I'm going to create a while loop, and I'm going to write this or that inside there, and this will be our loop, and if it's true it'll print out true, if it's false it'll print out false. So here we write true, so because this is true it should spam out true, and out here we have false, so if it's false it should spam, or it should only say false once. So let's go ahead and run it. Like expected, it says true, and if I set this to false, it'll only run false once. And there we go, we got a while loop. Thanks for watching and have a great day.